Alright, so we'll do one last quick walk around the car before I leave it here. Just in case, so we can catch any weird scratches. So they said the process is I leave it here, then when it's ready I pick it up. They'll leave the badges off, which is I'm not going to put them on anyways. They'll take a look at it. 10 days, I drive it around, bring it back. They'll double check to make sure everything is setting properly and nothing is peeling up. And yeah, we'll just take a look around to make sure there's no damage on it currently that might be new. Okay. Some calls right now, but I need to finish this video. Okay, I'm just kind of taking a look around everything. Everything looks good. Okay, up there looks good. No curb rashes. Alright. Hopefully it won't get scratched up from the wash cycle because it has so much pollen and dust on it. Alright, we're gonna lose that badge and we're gonna lose those badges. And the reason being I'm most likely gonna put like my business stuff on it. Okay. Just go along the top so I don't have to keep going up and down. Okay. I think I already looked at this in the wheel, so let's look at this side. There's this. Okay, that just wiped off. Most of it's just like all, you can see all the dirt and dust. What is this? Okay, that's also. Okay. It's hard to see with all the reflections in it if it's like messed up or anything. I think I didn't show this wheel. Yeah, it looks good. Anyways, I'm gonna leave the car here. I do need to grab my protective gear out of the front, so let's go ahead and do that. Oh, I didn't really look inside the window things or inside this area, but I mean if it's scratched, it's scratched, because I had a lot of people going in and out of my car recently because they wanted to try it. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm gonna be doing a live stream, though you won't hear that until the live stream's over. But yeah, all right, you can see in here. All right, bye.